As power over Ethernet continues to rapidly grow, it's more difficult to keep up with IEEE standards, classes, power output changes, and all of the cable variables that could affect performance. For fast, accurate PoE validation, the Ideal Networks PoE Pro is designed to eliminate guesswork and get the job done faster. Built on the foundation of the popular VDV2 Pro, PoE Pro combines familiar cable testing features with an even more comprehensive feature set. With support for high-power PoE up to 90 watts, you will identify the maximum watts available, all 8 classes, voltage, IEEE standard, and which pairs have power. What's more, you'll receive a pass-fail indication providing peace of mind your PoE device will work first time, every time. There's no setup or complicated configuration. Just plug PoE Pro into the data cable to display the maximum power available. Results are instant and easily toggled between voltage and watts on screen. To pinpoint faults, use the PoE Pro at both the device and switch locations to determine if the fault is caused by the switch, cabling, or PoE device. Some switches or injectors may provide power that exceeds their IEEE Class rating. The PoE Pro can test this ability with its extended power test. Simply press the network button for 3 seconds and the PoE Pro will increase power demand up to a maximum of 90 watts. The PoE Pro comes with a tone generator with multiple tones that can be used with most analog and digital cable tracing probes, which is essential for finding faulty or mislabeled cabling. From troubleshooting faults to validating new installations, PoE Pro makes your work less troublesome and more efficient. It's the ideal way to validate PoE and deliver accurate proof of performance.